Hey everyone, and welcome back to the algorithmic age. We all know the feeling, right? Living in a world packed with tech, where every device seems to have its own brain. Our phones, our watches, our smart homes, they're all powered by local AI, constantly learning, always ready to make our lives easier. They've become these little extensions of ourselves, promising ultimate convenience and efficiency. Think about it. From waking us up with the perfect song, to managing our chaotic schedules, to even suggesting what we should eat for dinner or which route to take to work. These digital assistants are always on, always learning, and always there, whispering suggestions in our ear. It's incredibly helpful. But have you ever stopped to wonder if we're leaning on them a little too much? A creeping sense of dependence starts to take hold. We begin to follow their suggestions without a second thought. And slowly, our own instincts and decision-making skills start to fade into the background. But what happens when the very algorithms that guide our lives suddenly mess up? A sudden glitch, a system crash, a dead battery, and boom, we're completely lost. It's like being adrift in a sea of uncertainty, realizing our own abilities have gotten rusty from not being used. It's in those moments of tech failure that we're forced to face our over-reliance. It's a wake-up call, making us realize we need to rediscover the skills and intuition that are lying dormant inside us. We have to reclaim our autonomy in this increasingly automated world. The goal isn't to ditch technology altogether. That's not realistic, and frankly, not the point. The key is finding a healthy balance. It's about learning to use these amazing tools as aids, not as crutches. We need to be the ones in control, using tech to enhance our lives, not letting it run them for us. It's about making conscious choices, trusting our gut, and sometimes just putting the phone down and figuring things out for ourselves. What do you think? Have you ever felt dependent on your devices? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to keep your tech knowledge ahead of the game and explore more topics like this, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the algorithmic age. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.